So we're in Ocho Rios, just coming from the river. Now we're heading back to Kingston. But on our way to Kingston, we're going to stop at this spot and we're going to get some jerk chicken and jerk pork, because of course you can't be in Jamaica and you don't get some jerk chicken and some jerk pork. So I always make sure I stop at this spot to get the best jerk pork, best jerk chicken. And as you can see guys, the way how they do the pork, they have the wood and they just have the pork and the chicken on the wood, so you're getting that smoke, that flavor from the wood, and it's just our vibes.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So we're in Ocho Rios, just coming from the river. Now we're heading back to Kingston. But on our way to Kingston, we're going to stop at this spot and we're going to get some jerk chicken and jerk pork, because of course you can't be in Jamaica and you don't get some jerk chicken and some jerk pork. So stay tuned for that. We're going to stop and we're going to get some street food, some fruits, and we're just going to hold our vibes going back to Kingston. So basically what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the first leg of the toll road and then we're going to exit and get some food. Then we're going to go local and right from there to Kingston. So stick and stay guys, and in the meantime remember to subscribe to the channel for further updates and what's to come on Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. And each time you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. Over there is a cruise ship. Ocho Rios dock. Cruise ship is right over there. So we're heading towards Mystic Mountain and Dunn's River. So is that what today? Right, you got it. So we're heading towards the toll road. I could have driven local from here out to Kingston, but I'm hungry and I just need to get to the food spot ASAP. So therefore I'm taking the toll road. Then we're gonna exit, go local, get some jerk chicken, some jerk pork, some roast bread fruit, some Jamaican food. Ocho Rios is very beautiful, overlooking the ocean. And guys, these drivers in Jamaica, they don't play. I mean, like, they drive reckless. It's beyond reckless, trust me. So you have to make sure you drive for yourself and make sure you drive for them. So right here is Mystic Mountain. Mystic Mountain over there. Over there, and further down is Dunn's River. But I don't know. I think this the sign for Duns River is under construction. It now will be right there. So we are now going to exit the local road, guys, and we're now going to go on the toll road. So stay tuned, guys, for the food stop on the local tour. All right, soon come. So we are now on the toll road. We're gonna exit in probably like the next 15 minutes from now. And then we're gonna go on the local road to get food. And we'll give you a tour of the local road. So soon come again, guys. Stick and stay. You know the vibe. Jamaica is a vibes. Toll road from Ocho Rios to Kingston. This road, if you haven't yet used it before, it's a lot of hill, a lot of corner. So whenever you're using this road, if it's your first time, make sure you use it with caution, as you should always use the roadway with cautions. But if you don't use the roadway, you don't go ahead and just speed on a road that you don't know. So we're going down the hill, heading towards Yorton. So soon come freestyle, you know the vibes. We're now at Yorton toll booth. We're now going to exit the toll road and we're going to go local to get some food. So we're going through the toll now. Let's see how much is the toll from where we're coming to. Right here. Too far? What is it? So from Ocho Rios to Yorton, we're paying $1,200 for the toll.
Make you show your money.
Thank you. So we are now about to go on the local road. We are now going local. No, I to let me pass. Bro. No, these drivers are like the worst. When I say the worst, the worst. So we're now on the local road. We're in Yorton. We're heading to this famous jerk spot where we're gonna get some food, some jerk chicken and some jerk pork. So stay tuned for that. You know the vibes. So we are now at the jerk spot. I always use this plum tree right here to mark the spot because sometimes I tend to pass. So we're going to, you're good. So we're going to get some jerk, pork, and some jerk chicken. So this is the spot, guys. They have the best jerk pork, best jerk chicken without a doubt. So we're gonna go inside and see what they have inside. Yes, freestyle. So I'm at this spot. Whenever I travel, I always make sure I stop at this spot to get the best jerk pork, best jerk chicken, and as you can see guys, the way how they do the pork, they have the wood and they just have the pork and the chicken on the wood, so you're getting that smoke, that flavor from the wood, and it's just our vibes. As you can see over there, they have jerk chicken, they have jerk pork, they have bami, and they have festival. And if you're traveling this side guys, remember you make this stop. It's in your turn. I will leave the name of it in the description. I don't quite recall the name of it, but this jerk is the best jerk around town. So make sure you stop and check it out. So we're now going to order some jerk pork and some jerk chicken. In the meantime guys, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, half and a quarter and 2 half-pound chicken. Look, for the chicken, give us leg and thigh. Leg and thigh, good. Yeah. No breast, leg and thigh. So, right here is my serving of pork. 1 half-pound, 1/4 pound. It's the best pork around town. It survives. So right here is the jerk chicken, and if you want guys, they have the sauce here to go with it. And we're gonna go with some side orders, some festival and some fry bami. So street food in Jamaica. And as I said guys, when you travel this side in the Euroton era, make sure you stop at this spot and get your jerk chicken, your jerk pork. It survives. So we ordered 2 half-pound of chicken, a half-pound of pork, and a 1/4 pound of pork with 10 fest. So we're now in the Bagwalk Gorge guys. We already get some food, and we're now in the Bagwalk Gorge. And as you can see guys, the drivers, they are something else. You know, Bagwalk Gorge is not a road to play with because it's very narrow, and if you slip you slide, and when you slide you're gone over the river. But the taxi drivers, they're not having it. They're going like mad fast. So this is the Bagwalk Gorge, the river run along here. And if you know the history of this river guys, when it rains heavily, it's not nothing pretty. When it rains hard, trust me, this roadway is not nothing near possible. Water is up to the road level up here, and will cover your car, will cover your bus, will cover your truck, no joke. So this is the famous Bagwalk Gorge. A few meters up, we'll be crossing the flat bridge. Just stay tuned for the crossing of the flat bridge. It's a bridge that a lot of people is scared of. So we're going to cross the flat bridge in a few, so just stay tuned. You know what I mean? Freestyle. Oh, wow. Yo, the people them have some hole in the middle of the yo. I just hit a pothole a while ago. I hope I don't get a puncture. In Flat Bridge. And it appears that there's an accident right here. Guys, I'm driving from Ocho Rios to the Spanish Town basically, and I passed probably like about 4 different accidents. The drivers, nobody want to wait, everybody is in a mad rush, everybody is driving like they're crazy. So since I'm about to cross the bridge, I'm going to hand the camera to somebody because I don't want to drive and record over this bridge. So here's the camera. I want to get a good footage going over the bridge. So you enter the bridge and there's a stoplight. And the light is up. On the bridge you're going to catch water. Red light right here. And as you can see, the vehicles on the opposite side is coming over. Waiting on the light to change. Not one of my favorite spots also, but I've been driving across this bridge for years, so I'm kinda used to it a bit, but I still don't like it. Now here you have it, we're on the bridge. On the bridge, on the bridge, on Now we're off the bridge now, and we're on our way to Spanish Town. So we are now in Spanish Town, and right here is the Spanish Town Shopping Center. Spanish Town. They put a lot of cameras all about in Jamaica now, man. That's good. And right here is the Spanish Town prison over. Over there is a prison. And across from the prison is the Spanish Town police station. St. Diego Shopping Center. Elevator City around there, and further down here is the Spanish Town Hospital, and we're driving through Spanish Town. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.